Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to replace and remove the headlight on a Hyundai Sonata 2006 until 2011 model. It will cover the 2.4 and the 3.3 engine. So what you need to do right here, you need to unhook the wires by pressing down and pulling back. It's really tight. Okay, like that. You can see this one, you need to press down and pull back. It's really tough. And here, one bolt with 10mm socket, another one right here in the corner. And now we have one more bolt that we will need to remove, and it is located right here. Okay, let me get a better view right there, that bolt. It's hard to get to, but with a long extension you can get to it. And we need to remove this one as well. Careful not to drop it because it will fall on the suspension. Okay, and we got it loose. All we got to do now, just unscrew the rest of it. It's not very complicated procedure to replace the headlight on that Hyundai. Most people think you have to remove the bumper, but you do not need to do that for that procedure, and the shop will charge you incredible amount of money for about 5-minute job. And now you're ready to pull it out. You pull that side first and it comes out of there. Okay guys, and this is the headlight itself. Pretty simple procedure. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, let us know what you think about the video. We upload one new video. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.